Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Walmart. So we're going to do a Ibotta haul. I got 12 items today in this haul, and I still need to go back because I did 8 out of the 15 offers that I needed to do. So I'm probably going to go tomorrow because where I work there's a Walmart, and so I can hit it up again, or I might hit up a different store. I don't know. It depends, but you guys will see where we go. So today I did a 12 item haul, so every item was under 70 cents, and in total, after all the money makers and all the money back from these Ibotta and the other rebate apps, I only paid like $1.08 for all of this. So let's get started and check out all the cool deals that we got today. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to click that subscribe button so you can see all the latest deals. Alright, so this is the first item that I grabbed. This is the Yoplait Yogurt, the 8 count. So this is completely free on Ibotta. So you're going to pay $3.98. You're going to get back $3.98 on Ibotta, and then it's also attaching to 75 cents off of the Yoplait 8 count yogurt, making this a 75-cent moneymaker. And these are great for breakfast or any time for a snack. And these actually, I ran to Walmart to get these because they ended in like an hour and then it reset. So if it reset for you, run to Walmart to get this. Okay, so the next deal that I did, you're going to want to buy these Waza multigrain crisp breads, and you're going to have to pick up any hummus. And I got the Walmart hummus, but you can also get the little snack pack hummus with the pretzels. I think they cost exactly the same, but I just grabbed this one to try it out. And so first you're going to grab these Waza multigrain crackers. They're priced at $2.84. Then you're going to pick up any hummus. So I picked this hummus up. It was the Walmart hummus. It's only $1.98. You can pick up any hummus that you want. This makes it $4.82. You're gonna get back $4.39 for buying both of these at Walmart. Okay, so because you bought the crackers and the hummus, you're gonna get back $4.39, making this only 43 cents for both of these, which is a great deal. Okay, so this is the next deal that I did. You're gonna buy the Oreo Dynasty ones. Make sure they're the ones that say Dynasty on them. So this is a great deal, even if you don't find them on clearance. I think they're they're $3.67 each, and you're gonna get back $3.67. So you only pay $3.67 for 2 of them, but this is an even better deal if you find them on clearance. So I bought these for $1.50. You have to buy 2, so that makes it $3, and then you get $3.67 back on Ibotta, making this only 67 cents. Well, this makes it completely... Okay, so this is the next deal. You're going to get the Dynasty Oreos. Make sure it says Dynasty on it. This is a great deal even if you don't have them on clearance. So if you buy 2 of them, because you have to buy 2, they're $3.67, and you're going to buy 2 of them, and you're going to get back $3.67 back because it's buy one get one free on Ibotta, making this only $3.67. So you only pay for 1, but if you find them on clearance is an even better deal. So these are $1.50. You're gonna buy 2, makes it $3. You're gonna get back $3.67 on Ibotta, making this completely free and a 67-cent moneymaker. Okay, so this is the next deal. It actually gets a little better just because I've already bought in 5 of these. So this is the 5th one that I bought. So there's a 50-cent bonus. These are priced at 98 cents. You're gonna get back 20 cents on Ibotta, and then because I bought 5 already before, and this is the 5th one I'm picking up, you're gonna get a 50-cent bonus, making this only 28 cents. Okay, so this is the next deal. You're gonna pick up 2 of these Lily's chocolate. You can get any flavor that you want. So I picked these both up. They're $3.48 each. So times 2 is $6.96. You're gonna scan this on Swagbucks, your receipt, and get back $6. And then on the coupons.com app, you're gonna get back $2 for buying 2, so makes this completely free and $1.04 moneymaker. And I've never tried these out before, but they smell really good, like chocolate and coffee. I didn't realize they are no sugar added, so we'll see if that's good. I'm really excited to try these. Okay, so this is the next item. You're gonna pick up these Chlorelin Max. You can buy 1, but I think the deal is better when you buy 2. And I'll let you guys know why. So these are priced at $1.57. On Ibotta, you're gonna get back $1. So if you're only buying 1, this is 57 cents. But if you buy 2, that makes it $3.14. You're gonna get back $1 times 2 on Ibotta because you bought 2. And then you're gonna get a 50-cent bonus for buying 2, making this 64 cents. So you can get 64 cents for 2, or you can pay 57 for 1. Okay, so this is the next deal that I did. We're gonna pick up 2 of these Malto meals. They're cereal, and I picked up the Berry Colossal Crunch times 2. So you just need to buy any 2 of these cereals and make sure that they're over 30 ounces for this to work. So I bought these at $4.66. And I bought 2 of them. You're gonna use Ibotta and get back $2 per each bag, making that $4 since we bought 2 bags. And then on Shopkicks, you're gonna get 1,310 Shopkicks. So that's the equivalent of $5.24. You're gonna only pay 8 cents for this, and I think if it's like the first time you're buying these, you get a 50-cent bonus or something like that on Ibotta. I'm not sure, check your Ibotta, but since we've already done this 3 times, we didn't get that bonus. And these are probably gonna be donated because I don't really eat cereal and I already have 2 other bags. But yeah. Thanks for watching my channel. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about this haul. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Be sure to check out next week's deal. Bye.